Hey Ideaplex fam, imagine creating professional motion videos without ever touching a camera or an editing app. Just type your idea and a full video is generated for you. Today, we're diving into Motionvid.ai, a tool that promises to revolutionize content creation. Is it the future of video making or just another overhyped AI experiment? This tool that claims to automate motion graphics with AI, is it really 20x faster than After Effects? Can it replace editors? Let's find out. In just 30 seconds, no expensive software, no editing skills, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Stick around, this changes everything. 5 years ago, if you wanted an animated video, you needed a team, a scriptwriter, a graphic designer, an animator, an editor, and weeks of back and forth. Costs would skyrocket, deadlines dragged. Now a single person with a browser tab can achieve the same, faster, cheaper, and sometimes better. Motionvid.ai claims to make it happen. Look, editing sucks. You waste hours on keyframes, rendering, and tweaking colors. And if you're not a pro, forget it. Motionvid.ai promises to fix this. Just type a prompt and boom, instant animation. Quick question. Would you trust AI to create your next video? Type yes or no in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Here's how Motionvid.ai works. You start with a text prompt. You describe your idea in simple words. Maybe you say, create an inspirational video about persistence. The AI analyzes your input, selects motion graphics, animates text, picks the music, and delivers a full video. Usually in under 3 minutes. No timelines, no editing software, no endless tweaking. If you want, you can tweak the generated video, change colors, adjust the music, rearrange scenes, and depending on your subscription plan, you can export your videos in HD, 4K, or even 8K resolution. You can start with pre-made templates and customize them to create stunning animations in minutes. A variety of professionally designed templates are available, catering to different formats like landscape, portrait, and square, suitable for platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Users can refine their videos by providing specific instructions about colors, timing, effects, and more, allowing for personalized content creation. Most videos are generated within 1-3 minutes, significantly reducing production time compared to traditional methods. Supports sketch to animation, where rough drawings can be transformed into professional animations. Draw a rough concept and watch it transform into a professionally animated video. Motionvid.ai takes your sketches and brings them to life with just a few clicks. Ideal for YouTube videos, short-form content, marketing videos, and infographics. Motion design just got radically easier. With Motionvid.ai, describe your idea in plain words and watch it transform into a full animation with cinematic visuals and fluid motion. Use your native language to describe your vision, then let Motionvid.ai bring it to life. Creating high-quality motion graphics is now faster, smoother, and easier than ever before. No need for complex timelines or expensive editors. Just ask in text to tweak anything, from colors to transitions. Instant revisions, no friction. Everything Motionvid.ai creates is yours. Download, export, and use your animations anywhere, fully copyright-free. Describe your video in natural language and watch as AI crafts beautiful motion graphics in seconds. Motionvid.ai leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to transform your ideas into stunning motion graphics at lightning speed. Access a library of professionally designed motion templates tailored for filmmakers. Tweak and adjust your videos through simple text prompts. No need to fiddle with timelines or keyframes. Motionvid.ai helps creators save hours of editing time while producing professional quality short-form videos that drive engagement and revenue. Monetize faster with content that converts viewers to customers. This intuitive AI-powered platform makes video creation accessible to everyone, from beginners to professionals. Motionvid.ai emerges as a game changer, offering a free and sophisticated AI-powered platform for generating motion graphics. This groundbreaking tool is bridging the gap between professional design capabilities and everyday content creators, making high-quality motion graphics accessible to everyone. Motionvid.ai stands out with its unique blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, making it a versatile tool for both amateurs and professionals alike. By harnessing the power of AI, this platform automates the design process, enabling real-time rendering, personalized content creation, and even hyper-realistic character animations. It's not just about simplifying design, it's about revolutionizing the way we think about and create motion graphics. Motionvid.ai helps improve viewer interaction, evoke emotions, and tell compelling stories. With multiple output options, users can download their creations in different formats or share them online with ease, making Motionvid.ai a versatile tool for any content creator. The platform's ease of use is further highlighted by its requirement-free access, allowing users to create content without needing a credit card. This accessibility makes it an appealing option for professionals across marketing, gaming, and film industries seeking efficient and versatile motion graphic solutions. So, is Motionvid.ai worth it? If you value speed, ease, and solid production quality, absolutely yes. If you need full creative control, it might not replace your traditional editing software yet. But the truth is, AI video creation is getting better every month. If you start now, you'll be way ahead of the curve. If you want me to create a full tutorial on how to get the best results using Motionvid.ai, hit that like button and comment tutorial below. Subscribe for more future-focused tools, and I'll see you in the next one.